today I'm going to be unboxing the laundry and vacuum cleaner. So here it shows what's in the box. So there's the vacuum cleaner, a cloth and the washing machine. And it shows that the washing machine door opens and that part comes off of the vacuum cleaner and you can slot it back in. And on this side there are pictures of the washing machine and vacuum cleaner. So now let's open it. Uh-oh. The washing machine has fallen on the floor. So this is the washing machine. And the door opens like that. And then closes. Oh, that's cool. And then you can see inside that it looks like there's water. And there's a bit on the side you can turn to make it spin round, and it makes the water go up and down. So it looks like a real washing machine, so that's really cool. And even on the back it's like really detailed, like a real washing machine, so I love that. And then there is the catalogue, and in here is the vacuum cleaner. And a cloth, so I'll put that in the washing machine. So that looks really cool. And this is the vacuum cleaner. So there's this bit which you can move. And then I think that, oh yeah, this bit here comes out. So that's cool. And then it just slots back in. So that looks really cool. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.